opening batter is Vimal, the captain of the team. Along with him, Shrutik is there at the non-strikers end, and we've... Hemant is going to be the opening bowler. Here we go. Places the umpire. First delivery. Hemant coming into bowl to Vimal. Oh, starts off with a wide down the leg side. Not a good delivery. Vimal just lets it go. So Hemant missing the line on the first delivery itself. And we all know what Vimal is capable of. That's a six. First delivery and he smashed it over the long on. No chance for that tall fielder as well. Such was the precision in the shot. Flat six, but way above the long on fielder. That's a great start. 7 already on the board. Just the first delivery being bowled. Oh, what a comeback! I don't know what he's appealing for. Probably he was appealing for the clean bowl. That was such a wonderful comeback. Great delivery by Hemant. The typical Yorker, the Bumrah Yorker that we call. Oh, big one! You can't bowl full, you can't bowl short. Where do you bowl? Better not bowl to this guy. What a player. Great start to the innings by Vimal. 2 sixes already in the first 3 deliveries. However, the second one was a bit of a scare for the batter as well. Hemant not consistent with the length. Was trying for the Yorker again, but this time was a half volley. Oh, and that's a wide down the leg side. So missing the line again on that occasion. 14 already on the board of just 3 deliveries. Vimal looks to be quite relaxed and enjoying his batting right now. This is just the first over though. Oh, and is that a no ball? It is. He tried to evade that, but even the evasive action could not do much, and he had to take it on his shoulder. And this is a free hit. Oh, that's a great delivery. So he does have that wonderful Yorker. It's just that the consistency is not there. But this was such a wonderful comeback again. Twice he's done that in this over. After getting hit for 6, he's come back brilliantly. Will this be a 6 then? Oh, this time it is a 6. And probably Vimal is listening to the commentary as well while he's batting. Flat 6 this time. Probably one of the flattest 6s that we've seen today. No chance for the long on. Was just a spectator, and they've taken now the fielder who was near the long off too. Long on. Oh, and is he gone? Yes! What a comeback! And eventually the war has been won by Hemant. The battle may have been won by Vimal on the 3 occasions that he hit big 6s. That's a great comeback by Hemant, and very good start given by Vimal to his team. 19 already on the board. Or is it 20? I'll have to just check with the score. Is it 21? 21 for 1. after the end of the first over. Oh, six. Mahesh being welcomed to the attack with a huge 6 by Shrutik. That's a full toss, and he was waiting for that bread and butter stuff for the batter. Look at his forearms. Wow. He's just come out of the gym. Looks as if. Oh, down the track. Straight down the ground. What a player, guys. Absolutely stunning batting. This was a good delivery. Just shimmied down the track and made it a half volley. Short delivery. Oh, this time. Will he be out? He's dropped it. Would you believe it? He was underneath that delivery completely. Oh, he misses a sitter. Chance goes a begging, and Shrutik's heart would have been in his mouth, but now it's back to the position where it should be. Good delivery. Great comeback by Mahesh. Oh, what a shot. What a 6. What a player. Tremendous batting this time. Vishrut this time says, if Shrutik can do, I can do as well. And they're dealing in 6s at will right now. We've already seen 6 6s hit, and this is just the second over. Look at the kind of batting prowess that they have, this team, Blue Warriors. Comes down the track, should be a single. Quick single taken nicely. Chance of run out at the other end. Good throw, and eventually finishes the run complete nicely. That's the end of the second over. The score after 2 overs is 41. Wow. इतना तो मैं बुक क्रिकेट में भी नहीं बना पाता था जितना इन्होंने यहाँ खेल के बना लिया है. 2 ओवर में 41 रन. वाओ. This is high quality batting by all the batters of the Blue Warriors. You've got a new bowler coming into bowl his first over. And starts off with a wide. It's Bijay. And Vishrut lets it go. Another run added to the tally. 42 on the board. Oh, that's edged but will be safe. Just a single. That's a good delivery by Bijay. And he's trying to make up for the drop catch with some good bowling. Oh, good delivery and quick single taken. This time they take probably a... Is that a leg by? No, that's a... This is a leg by, umpire? That's a leg by, yes. In the air, could be a catch. He's gone, yes. Good delivery, good comeback by Bijay. Tremendous bowling. And Vishrut comes back to the pavilion. Did not get the power behind the shot, and that is why he's got out, caught at the long on boundary. Oh, that's a great shot, but will fetch him only a single. But these are the kind of shots that we actually want to see more. If the balls will not be lost, how will the budget be increased for the next year? Oh, this time edging it, but away from the keeper. Just a dot delivery. Oh, what a shot. Should just be a single. Will that be a boundary? Oh, yes. And they probably will need a stare. to stop that one. That's a good shot by the batter, Harshit, who opened his account with a single, but then hits a boundary. And the score after 3 overs is 4 overs, 3 overs. 49 for 2 after 3 overs. That's a great start. Easily looking at 100 at least as the final score here. Rosell coming to bowl his first over. On strike is Shrutik, who's playing a gem of a knock here. Got a lifeline too, but making it count really well. Oh, starts off with a big wide. Shrutik lets it go and the right approach. Another wide, probably yes. It's going way outside that off-stump line and not as per his liking. More importantly, not as per the umpire's liking. That's 2 wides in a row. Oh, that's a good delivery. Good comeback. Shrutik trying to play the long handle. Trying to hit a flat one, but not getting the right contact. In the air, this could be a single. It is. This is good delivery by Rosell again. 2 good deliveries after 2 wide. So, nice comeback by him. That's a run by default. In the air, 6. What a shot. You can't bowl full deliveries to this guy. He's just going to hit you all day long. Look at his forearms. Absolutely magical batting this is. It reminds us of Brendan McCullum. That's wide. The kind of power he puts behind the shots is absolutely amazing. That's a good shot. And he's gone. What a catch. And what a comeback by Rosell. Great catching by Himanshu here. Beg your pardon, Nikunj. It's Nikunj who takes a stunning catch. And it's a good delivery. Ankit is a new batter. And that's a wide on the leg side. That's the end of a good over by Rosell. The score after 4 overs is 62 for the loss of 3 wickets. And 4 overs have been bowled. So Ankit back on strike. And Bijay coming to bowl his second over. That's a big six by Harshit, who made the most out of that short delivery by Bijay. Bijay bowled really well in his first over, starting off with a short one here. Not a good start to this over. And deserved the treatment that delivery deserved. Got the treatment. Oh, six. What a shot. Stand and deliver, says Harshit. This is great batting by a very talented batsman. This time trying to hit the big one again, but not getting the right connection, but still a single in the mid-wicket region. Nikunj fielding really well. What a catch he took, standing at short mid-on. Oh, what a delivery. Great comeback by Bijay. This is the length that he should actually be aiming at. Whenever he bowls full, he's a completely different bowler. That's a good delivery. Slightly short of length, but nicely bowled outside the off. Just a single taken. The score after 5 overs is 77 is the score after 5 overs. We've got the 6th overs starting. Ankit plays it nicely in the point region for a single. Mahesh bowling his second over. In the air, he's gone. That's a very good catch. Oh, that's a big wicket in the form of Harshit. Didn't get the connection, got the edge, the inside edge, which went straight into the hands of the fielder standing in front of cover on the onside at in front of the square, beg your pardon, on the onside in the square leg region. That's a good shot by the new batter. Angish opens his account with a single. Oh, quick single chance over. Oh, he's gone. Yes. Tremendous fielding by Rosell. Look at his enthusiasm. He reminds us of Imran Tahir after when he gets a wicket and celebrates. Runs half of Mumbai. That's a great piece of work by Rosell. Well done, Rosell. You have been a live wire in the field today. And your celebration is even better than your fielding. Praful coming into bat after the fall of that wicket. Ankit goes back to the pavilion. He played a good hand along with Harshit and Angish. That's a good shot. Oh, and he's missed it. That should have been a dot delivery. Bharat lets it go. Single taken. That was a good delivery. Mahesh has been bowling really well in this over. But the damage seems to have been done. The score is already around 80. 6 overs have been bowled and the score is $80 after the end of 6 overs is the score. And we've got Nikunj coming to bowl this. Oh, and he's been greeted with a 6 or a single. Looks as if it is a... Oh, that's a default run, just a single. And that's a good decision. That's the right decision in my opinion. Good shot, full toss delivery. Oh, and that's a boundary. Nice attempt by Rosell, but not enough. That had a lot of power behind it. That was a really nice shot by Praful, who's playing with a lot of happiness in his heart. Nikunj. Oh, that's a good delivery. A very good off-spin bowling by Nikunj. Just a single taken in the square leg region. Angeesh back on strike. Can he hit a couple of big ones? This is the 7th over. The score already in the mid-80s. Shot. Oh, he's missed it. And this time Bharat will not miss it. Easy catch. Taken nicely by Bharat. But Angeesh will be disappointed. That was a short delivery. Was offering to be punished, but instead he punishes himself by getting out. That should have been a 6. Instead it's a wicket. You batter on strike, quick single taken. That's a good piece of work by the batsman, Anil. Oh, that's a very good shot. Wow. Probably the shot of the day for me. A tremendous hit. Just took his foot forward and hit it with a lot of finesse and grace. Classy stuff by Praful. That's the end of the 7th over. Can we have the score, please, guys? Seven overs, 93. And 6 wickets. You've got Hemant coming into bowl is second over and the last of the innings. 93 already on the board. Anil on strike. That's a good shot. Chance. Oh, he misses that. That was a clear run out chance which goes a begging. A single taken, and that is what they didn't want it to happen. Praful back on strike, especially with the kind of form he's in. That's a great delivery. Again, a Yorker. He looks to be an exponent of Yorkers. Good delivery. Good comeback. Superb bowling by Hemant in this last over. Praful also struggling for runs here. Even when he's hit few really good shots. Not at all easy to hit Hemant. The score is 94. Oh, he's gone. Yes. Cleaned him up. Inside edge. And the ball goes to hit the stumps. This is great bowling by Hemant in the last over. Where were the bowlers earlier? The score is 94 for the loss of 7. This is probably the last wicket. Yeah, this is the last wicket. Sapan coming to bat. Facing Hemant. Oh, you almost got rid of him. Should have been a stumping chance as well. Oh, 6. What a shot. Sapan playing a gem of an organ. Is that the 100 for the team? That is the 100. And the final score after 8 overs is 100 exactly. I would request both the captains to please send one player to the scorers so that confusion कम हो. मेरे को भी आप थोड़ा फिर मुझे कम परेशान होना पड़ेगा.
हेलो.
corner there, that side the boundary. जाने दिया, ये रिस्पेक्ट होती है. सिर्फ बैटर को ही पता है कि उनसे फंबल हुआ है, बाकी सबके लिए रिस्पेक्ट सीन है. You look at the long on region there. Long on does not exist. Good. Oh no, गिर गए. Yes. So even the players here know that there are 3 cameras set up. They're trying the level best to get into magazines. उबैद तेरे पीछे जो फील्डर खड़ा है उसको देख तो साइज में, बेचारा है, तू गिरना नहीं है उधर. Backed in shot. Now it was pacey. Oh, the batter had no time to react. He reacted when the ball hit the net behind the wicket keeper. And the wicket keeper बहुत ही हर्षित होकर फील्डिंग कर रहे हैं. क्या बात है, करना पड़ता है. हाँ, अंकिश तो बॉलर है, हर्षित तो कीपर है. Good shot. Connect is so good for a sixer. He waited for his time. And then he just hit the most impressive shot of the second innings to start the chase towards 101 in the right manner, in the right attitude, which is required. Now Vishnu नहीं जाना चाहते नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर. 2 रीजन हो सकते हैं. एक तो स्ट्राइक लेना चाहते हैं, और चलो दूसरा नहीं बताता हूं मैं. हाँ, और यहां पर अनिल की वजह से बैटर नहीं दिख रहा है पीछे. थैंक यू. अरे बाप रे, ये कीपर सिर्फ खड़ा किया है उन्होंने. मानो क्या विनीत, उनको आता है. आपका उनको सब लिख के दिया है जेडी में. देखा क्या बात है. व्हाट अ बॉलर यार. विमल, क्या बात है. और यही मंत्र दिया था विनीत ने. थैंक यू गुरुजी. अगले 15 मिनट दिखाई नहीं देना आप. ये कर लेगा जो भी है. उसके केआरएस सेट है उसका. एक बॉल छोड़ के जो उन्होंने एक अलग सा माहौल बना दिया था कि मैं नहीं पकड़ूंगा, लेकिन टाइम पर पकड़ लिया है. गुड मॉर्निंग सी हो गई उनके लिए. बिल्कुल. और विष्णु देख रहे हैं कि अब कौन नया आ रहा है. ओहो, कैप्टन साहब पधार चुके हैं. और रोजेल वापस आ रहे हैं कि मैंने ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है. रजिस्ट्रेशन मनी. ये सर तुषार कह रहे हैं कि मैं नहीं भागूंगा. ये रण छोड़कर हम नहीं भागेंगे, हम 101 बना लेंगे. अंकित थोड़ा आगे. Oh, now this is day 3 Adelaide Test, second session. Oh no! कहां हे अर्जुन. सुनेगा, क्रिस का गाना सुनेगा. यस. एक वैशाली है आप लोगों में. उसने सुबह किसी को साथ में लाने से इनकार करने का वो नेट ही चालू नहीं किया उन्होंने. उसकी सहेली अकेली आई. ओ मैडम, इतना टेंशन है नहीं. कृतिका जो भी आपका नाम है, बालों के वैसे टी नहीं दिख रहा है. हाँ, मेरा नाम एकदम क्लियर दिखता है, बाल ही नहीं है. चलिए विष्णु जी. Full toss been played towards the long off region now. This is long off, this is long on. आपको बता रहा हूँ. Vishnut. Yeah, it's a free hit now. It's a no ball and a 6. A rare phenomena happening for Ashish's team. Oh no! Straight in, straight out. The player. हाँ, it doesn't matter. आपने इसलिए छोड़ा ना सर? हाँ, बराबर है आपको. अच्छा कवर अप मिल गया उनको. Oh, he's just bowling some good deliveries here. अरे बाप रे. Good one now. Oh, what a shot, what a shot this is. Left-handers are elegant from day one of cricket origin. This is some fantabulous batting. This fellow batted very well on turf number 2 as well when they were chasing 140 in the first match. And now they're chasing 101 in the second match. And the only person responsible to adhere to the chase is right in front of everyone. Remember the name, Vishnu. और एक बहुत ही बड़ी सी हिट इन्होंने लगाई है और तुरंत ही उन्हें पता चल गया है कि सारा जो जिम्मा है वो अपने कांधे पर लेकर ही आगे चलना है. एकले चलो रे, ये मंत्र उन्होंने पूरा पठन कर लिया है. स्कोर की हम जो बात कर रहे हैं, मैं सबसे पहले ये जान लूं कि स्कोरर हैं कि कहां है, कैसे दिख रहे हैं इस मैच के स्कोरर. हाँ भैया, कैसे हो, क्या स्कोर बताओ. Three overs, 27 for 1. याद रखो तुषार जी, ये एक दिन में नहीं होगा, लेकिन एक दिन जरूर होगा. 101. Shrutik, he's an all-rounder. He's a gem to have in your team. Now he's playing for the Blue Warriors. Oh, good one. A lane, but he just pounces on it. And that's a good shot by Vishnu. He knows where the fielders are. Right on the ground. He's played it in the air. The ball was airborne straight after the connection with the bat. ठीक है सर, मतलब ओके 10-6 ही मारने हैं और केवल oh, now he misses out on the full toss. It was a delivery disguise. It just came in. The trajectory was towards the pads of the batter. Wow, what a shot. And only a single जो बाहर मारेगा वही बॉल लेके आएगा. ऐसा रूल अगर होता, सिर्फ तुषार के लिए नहीं है वो. आप कैप्टन हो, आप कर सकते हो. जय माहिष्मति. यस यस, वो लाल थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी क्रिम्सन रेड दिख रहा है, वो ब्लड रेड दिख रहा है सुबह. हाँ, शॉट पिच. शुड हैव बीन टेकन बाय अंकित. थोड़ी सी जंप अगर लगा देते, तुरंत उन्होंने पीठ की तरफ इशारा करके, नहीं भाई स्पैज़म है. होता है, होता है. ओ क्लीन बॉल, सेकेंड टाइम अनलकी. क्या बात है. Yes, he looks like a mini version of Lakshmipati Balaji and bowls like Debashish Mohanty. ये दोनों आपको पता है? सच्ची सच्ची आई शपथ लेके बोलो. ओके, अब वो स्त्री है, वो कुछ भी कर सकती है, हमें पता चल गया है. चेन्नई बल्लेबाज आए हैं बिल्कुल हट्टे कट्टे से. सर थोड़ी पीठ दिखा देंगे आप आते आते. अच्छा, सेम नाम है, सुबह वाला ही है, हेमंत. आशीष भाई एवढा जवळ काय वेगळं दिसतंय मागे. और एक और. हाँ? माही मार रहा है बिल्कुल. आज लेफ्ट ही. अब तुषार भाई यार कम है सर, आ जा यार. ओ लेंथ नाउ इज ही गोइंग टू. नो. आराम से कर लो भाई, कर लो आराम से. 1.5 घंटा ही पीछे चल रहा है स्केड्यूल, कुछ नहीं, टेंशन नहीं. आराम से कर लो, आराम से. आपको पीछे उस स्लाइड में बैठना है सर, पीछे ही आपके बैठ लो. पहचान है हमारी, हम कूपन्स खरीदेंगे. वन मोर माइक प्लीज. अजून एक माइक दे बाबू. सर दे. Oh, in the air, who's going to take it? Yes, and everyone, including the fielder, knew what was going to be the outcome. He was never looked like in a position. Sir, this would have been your 673rd catch of your illustrious career.
Of 2 matches.
And no one knows, including the fielder, where did he take the 672. Vimal. A good shot. Oh, he brushed his hand. And suicidal, direct hit by Anguish. He threw in anguish. And the fellow who held to his name since morning, Hemant, departs.
And now we have the owner of the team, Mr. Bharat Binyani. Bharat Binyani.
Yes, Bharat. It looks like the visiting team who is going to visit to play India, New Zealand. थोड़े से हल्के से. Oh, good ball by Vimalya. Good ball. No chance for Vishnu to turn his bat. दूर से यहां पे हमें दर्शक देखने आए हैं. एक दर्शक तो खेल भी रहा है किसी टीम में. ब्लैक फिनिक्स बना है आज वो. नहीं.
और ये
संकट को पीठ नहीं दिखानी है बेटा.
वाइड को दिखानी है, पर
हाँ वो दिखाओ.
वाइड को दिखानी है.
दिस इज कैप्टन कोटिंग. A good shot. What a connect. He's just playing with the pace of the bowler for 1 run only. Huh? सांगतो सर. 5 overs, 50 runs and 3 wickets down. They only require 51 in the next 18.
It's I think it's a very easy task. We just need 8 sixes. 8
ठीक
balls is what we need.
Yes, you know, this is Mumbai cricket and you count the chase only in sixes. You go to any tournaments of tennis. Say, suppose you're chasing 80 odd runs in 8 overs or 6 overs, they say it's like 12 sixes ka hi match hai, 13 sixes ka hi match hai. So now it is upon Bharat to do the needful, maybe 3-4 sixes in this over will help them. Here and there सीधा ही माना. Here and there का एक रन.
Here and there का नहीं है 6.
Yes, here and there का धुरंधर है.
लाल वाला.
भाई that was excellent for Insta feed morning वाला. भाई अच्छा से बना के डालो.
आशीष.
Oh no! Was there an edge?
Yes.
Yes, there was, and drop number 60 in his career. सिर्फ नए ग्लव्स पहनने से नहीं होता. Oh, in the air, taken. Angish takes it, and the person who is relieved is the wicket keeper. He's got the. हाँ, एक बॉल वेस्ट कर रहा था भाई. मतलब यहां पर मेरे जा चुके, इनके सॉल्ट पेपर हो चुके. आपने केवल जिम की मेंबरशिप ली है, जाइए भी. तिकडे काय करतात त्यांचं त्यांनाच माहिती नाही दोघांना. आणि ना ठाण मांडून बसलेत मांडी विंडी मोडून आतमध्ये देवदत्त आणि एजे.
निकुंज, rotate the strike.
सीरियस? इससे और खुला खुला कुछ नहीं बोल सकते भाई. Oh wow, rotate the strike, said the captain. He says, I'll take it from here. This is like the 2002 NatWest final where Saurav Ganguly was signaling single low to Mohammad Kaif and then said, okay, I'll hit him for a 6. Wait, and then he played the most extravagant pull of the match towards deep mid wicket. Oh, now he hits in the air. और एक और 6. दोनों प्लेयर फील्डिंग कर रहे थे एक ही बॉल के लिए. वो वहां से 6 मारा, ये यहां से. क्या बात है, बैक टू बैक 6s. इसको बोलते हैं गुस्सा. तुषार, एक और बार रोटेट का डायलॉग.
और एक सिर्फ 6 छक्के की जरूरत है अभी. Only 6 balls to win.
Oh, what a shot! This is tremendous. अगर ये आपके टीम में खेल रहे हैं,
निकुंज, ये ऐसे ही रोटेट करता रहे स्ट्राइक, ठीक है?
यही ब्रह्म राक्षस है. यही अनशन बात कर रहा है. अब ये रोटेट नहीं हो रहा है भाई. 3 बॉल में 18 रन.
गणपति बप्पा.
यस. ओ नहीं नहीं नहीं, ठीक है सर. सर उनका पर डे है सर, उनको दिया है सर पर डे. उनका डिग फिक्स है, जो भी है उनको मिल जाएगा सर. उनका KRA भी लिखा हुआ है. क्या 50 कितना हुआ? 12 deliveries and only 33 runs to get. Now let's talk serious cricket now.
विष्णु,
Vishnu ji. Now there's a power play signal given by the umpire, and Angish will be bowling. Angish.
Oh, what a shot!
yeah,
6 again! Brilliant!
Papa.
What a player this guy is, Vishnu. Absolutely stunning batting by him. And Vishnu would have easily crossed his 50.
आराम से. हुआ होगा.
50 हुए थे, उसके बाद तो 3 छक्के उसने ही मारे, सारे उसने थोड़ी बनाए थे.
मोस्टली उसने बनाया. 90% तो उसने बनाया.
That's a good comeback by Angish. Looks a tremendous athlete, Angish. But Vishnu is playing the knock of his life right now. What a shot that was on the first delivery.
Just 4 6s. That's
27 to win in 10.
4 6s.
Full toss, is that a no ball? That's a 6, and yes, that's a no ball as well.
Ball free hit.
7 added to the tally. What a play, guys. Let's give it up for Vishnu, guys, the way he's fighting it out. Just 21 to win now. Absolutely stunning batting. 7, yeah, 20 to win now. In 10, and that's a free hit as well. That's a flat batted 6. Wow, we don't see such a shot often. I wish I could show you the replay here right now. He played it, just sliced it at the same time. He batted it,
Vishnu,
hit it with a flat batted bat.
14 to win in 9.
What a chase.
9 अभी एक और.
Tremendous.
ये अपना
जी हाँ, जिसे कहते हैं कि धागा खोल दिया है विष्णु ने. What a player. And what a chase by Vishnu and Nikunj, specifically in the last 2 overs. This is absolutely high quality. They're dealing only in 6s right now. 6 6s hit already in the last 2 overs. This is how you snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. That's what we are witnessing here right now. That's a good delivery. Great comeback. Coming for the quick single chance for an out. He's gone. Yes, that was not the right decision. But Nikunj back on strike. Oh, and is he not out? He's out. I don't know why they were celebrating so loudly in the dugout. Probably because of the extra delivery that they've got.
Good play by Vishnu. Big round of applause.
Umpire, is that a no ball? No, it's a clean delivery. Okay, nothing. Just a wicket. On that delivery, the run out.
Nikunj, only 2 6s. बस 2 छक्के पे चाहिए.
And Nikunj on strike. He has the ability. We have seen he's hit 3 brilliant 6s. We'll let you know the equation. 8 deliveries, 14 to win. 8 पे 14. और निकुंज के अब कंधों पर आप देख सकते हैं कितने झुक गए उनके कंधे. बाहर ज्यादा आ गया है थोड़ा, तो वो थोड़ा सा अभी अपनी पावर को ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश करेंगे. क्योंकि विष्णु क्या बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे. विष्णु, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू द वे यू हैव ब्रॉट योर टीम बैक इन द मैच and almost at the verge of victory. Absolutely stunning batting. Why did you go for that run, Vishnu? Everybody wants to know that question. The nation wants to know. That run should have been avoided, and that's why the nation wants to know. That's a single taken. 7 deliveries, 13 to win. Definitely achievable.
देवांग छक्का.
And here comes Kavita. Kavita जी, आपको कहाँ से पढ़ा जाए? बहुत बढ़िया बैटिंग की आपने. बॉलिंग भी अच्छी की जब खेल रहे थे. That's a good delivery, Angesh. Oh, that's a wide. Oh, Angesh not amused with the decision, but he'll have to bowl that again. A run added to the tally as well. 12 required to win in 7 deliveries. Oh, he
No.
chooses not to run, and that's the right decision in my opinion. That's the end of the over. So 12 to win.
That's all you need.
6 deliveries, 12 to win.
Nikunj.
And on strike
No
is Nikunj.
single.
So,
तू ही खेलेगा.
wow, we've got the captain instructing on the mic. For the first time we've seen that in a cricket match in the last 145 years of cricket history. But this is cricket, anything can happen. That's why they said that, they say everything is possible, anything can happen.
निकुंज.
Nikunj on strike, 12 to win.
और 2 छक्के है बस. तो उस हिसाब से खेल.
And Nikunj currently acting like a computer. Whatever programming is being fed by Tushar, the output is being delivered that way. And we're still not sure who will be bowling the last over. Vishnu it is probably. क्या बात है. मेरे बाजू में एक ऐसे सिंगर हैं जिनका गाना हम इस मैच के बाद सुनेंगे. एक्सपोज हो गई आप. आपके टैलेंट को एक्सपोज कर दिया गया है. She's got a really good voice and Right now, we'll just come back to the live match. Vishrut bowling to Nikunj, 12 to win in the last over. Devang probably will be a spectator at the other end. That's what the instructions have gone from the dugout. And Nikunj will play with this stance. Looks as if it's so easy for him. It's that easy for him. He'll have to just sit and play the shot. Look at the level of confidence he has. Vishrut coming into bowl. The last over, look at the fielding. They've got a short cover. They've got a catching position on the onside as well. Oh, what a delivery! Tremendous start by Vishrut. Nikunj trying to hit the big one, misses that completely. What a yorker that was. Right in the block hole. First delivery by Vishrut. And I can easily hear a lot of heartbeats out here with a rate of 144 per minute. Full toss, he's played that.
No.
Should not go for the single because he don't has a lot of options. He himself has to go for big ones and he missed a full toss this time. Would be slightly disappointed, I'm sure. This was a full toss. Although he still has 4 deliveries. And he has the ability as well. That's what matters. He's already hit 3 big sixes. Vishrut with his 3rd delivery. Oh, and what a delivery. First bouncer for the over. He just let it go. And slightly flirting with danger here. The batter, 3 deliveries remaining, 12 to win. At the start of the over, it was 6 deliveries, 12 to win. It's 3 and 12 now. So 3 dot deliveries. What a bowling performance this has been by Vishrut. Coming into bowl the 4th delivery. That's a tremendous bit of bowling. Wow. Nikunj under pressure now. 2 deliveries, 2 sixes is what they need. He's played a gem of a knock, but can he cross the line for his team? And Vishrut currently is bowling with his tail up. Tremendous bowling indeed. 4 brilliant deliveries. Nikunj doesn't have too many options. Devang will have to be a spectator. We all know that. And it's not a 6. So the score has been almost defended. Just a single. And even if the last ball goes for a 6, he will have to make sure he doesn't bowl a no ball here, Vishrut. This is great bowling under pressure by Vishrut. 1 delivery, 11 to win. And this match is virtually gone towards the Blue Warriors' way. Oh no, he's missed that. So they win it by 10 runs. That's a great effort by Nikunj. So let's give it up for Nikunj. But what a performance by Vishrut. Wow. Absolutely stunning bit of bowling under pressure, and defending 12 runs in the last over is probably one of the difficult most tasks here which he has achieved to perfection. And here we are with the singer. कविता जी हो जाए, जो आप गुनगुना रही थी वो थोड़ा सा माइक पे भी हमें सबको सुनाइए, क्योंकि अब सब क्रिकेट देख के थोड़ा बोर भी हो गए हैं, तो थोड़ा गाना बजाना भी होते रहना चाहिए, मनोरंजन भी होता रहना चाहिए ना.
पे अच्छा आएगा कि नहीं पता नहीं.
माइक पे अच्छा आएगा, आपकी आवाज़ ऐसी कि अच्छा आएगा.
तुम आए तो आया मुझे याद, गली में आज चांद निकला, जाने कितने